days off, so I've been working hard. On my 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 high country edition, but you know, standard Chevy Silverado 14 doesn't got parking brake cable, so had to order the there's a back left, a back right, and an intermediate, and then next to your lever up where your foot is. So these are the part numbers that you're gonna need. Well, if you get the AC Delcos. This is what they look like. You can't really see in the shadow there. That's the intermediate. This guy right here, it's got like a threaded thing. And then this is like the other one. It's got the little spring. So, yep, 2014 Chevy Silverado parking brake cable job. Check it out. So, just getting started. What do we got going on here, Mr. Mechanic?
So, we just pull the wire through. As you can see, if you come down here, we got the buckles here with the retainer. So first things first, I'll take the slack out of the wire, and I'm gonna pull some through. Just get a mock-up fitting. I wanted to make sure that everything's here. I'm on the up and up. And we'll try to get that in there, just like that, man.
Like bada bang, bada boom.
Bada boom, bada bang. Alright, that's one. And then we're gonna
do
the other.
Started with the rear passenger side.
Then we'll do the driver's side. And then we'll run them forward just to make sure that the intermediate cable is the proper length.
Into there doing his thing. So we're having trouble getting the intermediate old one off. I'm sure it's a problem that everyone will run into. So far we've cut it with the wheel. Been an unsuccessful. And hopefully we'll get that out sooner or later somehow. And I'll be back with some more footage for you. So my boy's a little camera shy. But this is... You got it.
I'll do that.
Runs it across over there. There we get even better. Looks like we still gotta get that clip there.
Yeah, we gotta put the clips on. I still gotta.
We gotta get it clipped up.
Right now, I just mock up, and after the mock up looks so good, I went ahead and started.
See it? That's the new lines. Down.
gosh, cuz I fucking hate this allergy shit. Make it even worse that that's like the shit that fixes it.
And then of course we gotta get that slack pulled tight.
You already did all that from yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So everything got lined up yesterday, but today we realized it's a little tight on the pressure on the emergency brake pedal. So today,
Open the door, Cuddy.
we are going to
Please don't smash me.
show y'all how to do the final adjustments.
So yeah, what you're gonna do, you got your intermediate cable. It's gonna be running all the way from the pedal where it snaps in to a retainer clip over there. It's gonna run all the way down here to where your intermediate actually runs into both sides of the line. You got your left here on the bottom, you got your right on the top. Up here's a 6 mil. Up here's gonna be a 10 millimeter. We got the pedal a little tight for his liking. And also you always want to make sure you leave some slack, but not too much slack because these cables are going to stretch during their lifetime span. So it's gonna loosen it up just a little bit to where he can get his pedal down to where he kind of wants it. We'll call it a day here at NPH Pro Performance.
That's right. All your automotive needs.
It's a one-stop shop. You tow it in, you drive it home. Motorcycles, go-karts, scooters,
Side-by-sides.
side-by-sides, all your electrical needs, motor swaps. It don't look like much here, but it goes down. It goes down over here.
Just go ahead in the comments and reach out if you need some type of services.
Right here, located in Antioch. Dirty
California.
waters.
Bay Area.
But you won't get dirty watered here. Okay, go in and try that out. I didn't loosen it much, but I just want to see it, how much of pedal slack that actually is going to release.
That still feel pretty tight.
Yeah, I didn't loosen it much. You know what? Keep the pedals tight right now.
Yeah.
I want to do it like that.
But just a little bit more looser.
Yeah, I want to do it with the pedal tight. For some reason, I feel like that's going to be a little bit...
Tension pushing it down is just a little too tight, so that's what we're doing now. Just getting it to where that right pressure level is reached.
Alright.
Release it and tighten it again.
Alright.
Yeah, that's more better, bro.
Right. You want a little more? You want a little more than that?
No, I like that.
Right there?
Yep.
Alright.
And that's that, folks.
Alright, and let me go through and check my lines here. Make sure we ain't got nothing rubbing on anything. Make sure everything's out of each other's way.
Nothing hanging down, gonna catch on nothing.
Yeah, everything looks solid, brother.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot. For sure I do.
I agree.
Get your exhaust, cousin.
Oh yeah.
Some motherfucker.
See the exhaust too? That's
Motherfucker's good, you ever?
another NPA's job. with the gold tips. I don't know if you can see the weld, but it's solid. But that's a whole nother story. So yeah, that finishes up the 2014 Chevy Silverado parking brake cable.
Can I go put my
job.
my suit on so I can get in the back?
Yeah, here we go.